Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm so excited to show you how to create this beautiful pearl necklace. This necklace is incredibly easy to make, yet it provides such a stylish and elegant touch. It's perfect for any occasion. First, let's go through the materials you'll need. 8 mm pearl beads, 6 mm pearl beads, 4 mm pearl beads, U-shaped clasp, jump rings, extension chain, lobster clasp, end charm, 0.18 mm beading thread. Begin by taking your thread. Thread it through both sides of your U-shaped clasp. Pull the thread tight to secure the clasp, ensuring it is centered and rounded at the end. This method is excellent for protecting your wire and creating a durable connection. Next, take your 4 mm pearl, pass both sides of the thread through the pearl, and bring it down to meet the clasp. Take the 6 mm pearl and pass both wires through in opposite directions. Pull firmly to guide it down, seating it snugly next to the 4 mm pearl. Next, take your 8 mm pearl and thread it just on the left-hand side wire. On the right-hand side, string 3 4 mm pearls, followed by 1 6 mm pearl. Now, take the thread from the right side and pass it through the 6 mm pearl from the right, creating a crisscross. Pull firmly to join the pearls neatly and complete the pattern. Continue to repeat this process, alternating bead sizes and patterns as desired, until your necklace reaches the perfect length. As you can see, the process is straightforward. To save time, I will complete the remaining portion off camera, as it is the same simple steps. Now we're completing the necklace. Once you've finished the main design, take one final 4 mm pearl and pass both threads straight through from the same direction. Now take the U-clasp, pass one thread through from one side, and bring it out from the other. Insert the thread back into the pearl, tie several knots to secure and trim the excess wire. Your necklace is complete. Repeat the same process for the other thread. Pass it through the U-clasp, back into the pearl, tie secure knots, and trim the excess wire. Both sides are now secure. Now for the finishing touch, take a jump ring. Attach the lobster clasp and secure it to the U-clasp on one end. Add another jump ring to the end of the extension chain. Attach a decorative drop-shaped charm here to create an elegant finishing touch. Finally, attach another jump ring to the U-clasp on the opposite side. Connect the extension chain to this ring and secure it, completing the necklace. See, this necklace is so nice, elegant, and easy to make. The professional look will surprise everyone. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box and I will surely reply. See you in the next video.